Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE wall bracket for your hand shower. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. First, let's take a look at the parts you'll need. Plan in advance where the shower head should hang later. Once you've picked a good spot, you can mark it with a piece of tape and indicate where the drill holes will go. Make sure that the drill holes are aligned so that they're level, so that the bracket will sit straight. If you need to drill, you should use a masonry drill. If you drill into tiles, use a drill without impact. Then insert the supplied wall plugs. Next, place the black rubber under the bracket and screw the two together. Now there's just the chrome cover left to go. Simply slide this over the holder and snap it into place. Done! That was easy, wasn't it?